How to make and create a food Facebook cover on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Facebook. Click on Facebook cover option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here, scroll down until you find the food Facebook cover option. Click on see all. Now choose any template from these. For example, this one. You can change the text and everything right here. It's so professional, as you can see. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.